All right, for those of you who are following the mining classes, Connie and I have moved to Alabama and we're building this deck, but they'll resume shortly. And she worked in a sawmill at one time and understands how to set up machinery for that, and we'll show you how we're doing these boards. Thought we'd show you this before we disassemble it, but we are doing our trim boards right now. These little trim boards here, and we're cutting them out on a Skilsaw sawmill. Very simple, very easy for you to do.
Okay, I guess the best way to explain this is you're going to have a carriage for your 2x4 or whatever you're ripping, which I'm going to rip a piece off a 2x4. Now we all know, if you've done carpentry, that your guide on your skill saw is 1.5 inches. Well, I want about approximately a 1/4 inch strip, so I'm going to have to set my guide board to about 1 3/8 to allow for my 1/8 inch wide saw blade. So to get me a 1/4 inch off this guide. Now I put a board here and clamped it, which will, well, this is a push guide, by the way. Matt can push my 2x4 through this way, and I'll hold the saw right here. I'll set this up so it can't go past my guide, and as he pushes in the board, it's just like a sawmill, and he is the carriage. So let's see what it works. And there we have our stripping.